Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a working internet connection and your Microsoft email or phone. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts. That moves you into Sign-in flow. Click Sign in with a Microsoft account and enter your email. Don't skip password verification. If you lack an account, choose Create one and follow the prompts. Make sure you note recovery options because that prevents lockout. Now you're ready to proceed to verification and local settings. You will verify identity next. Select email, SMS, or the Authenticator app and enter the code sent to you. Once verified, Windows asks about syncing. Choose whether to sync theme, passwords, OneDrive files, and language preferences. This keeps devices consistent. Make sure to toggle the items you want backed up. Next, set a PIN or enable Windows Hello for faster local sign-ins. That's more convenient and secure. After these steps, your account is linked and preferences start syncing. You finish by confirming the account appears under Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow your info, and check sync status to ensure items are uploading. Once done, sign out and sign back in so permissions and OneDrive setup finalize correctly. This clears transient errors. If the account fails to appear or sync, run the network troubleshooter and confirm time/date are correct. Then reset Microsoft account credentials or remove and re-add the account. That troubleshooting tip resolves most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.